Hello, welcome to my channel again, and I won't waste your time. Today we're going to be working on creating a table in HTML, and we want to learn how to display a set of information in a tabular format. And when you're thinking about table, you're thinking about columns and rows and cells. We're talking about grids of vertical and horizontal line intercepting each other to organize the information for you. So we're going to dive straight into that now. Alright, let's go. To create a table, we need an element referred to as table, and table has a distinct section. So we have the header section, we have the body section, and we have the footer section. So we're going to divide our table information into three parts. We want to display fruit price information. So we have the fruit title, we have the body information, and we have the total of the price. Shall we go? Alright, let's go. So we start with T-head. T-head is the header section, and we do T body, and then we do space T foot. Alright, this is the three section that we're going to split our table into, and let's just dive straight into creating a row. So we need to create a row, and then we create column in the row. So to create a row in the header section, we need a TR for table row, and we need a TH for table column. So that's a cell, and we need another TH because we want to create a 2-column table with 6 rows. So if we render this, we're not going to see anything on the screen. So let's try and see what's on the screen. We're going to say open table HTML ruler. See, there's nothing here. So we're going to say we want fruits and price. So we want fruits and price. So let's refresh the table again. Beautiful. Now, if anyone's looking at this would think, what's this? This doesn't look like a table to me. So because it's not visible, so we are going to add a border around our table. Let's add 1 pixel border around the table. Let's refresh. Nice. It's looking more like a table now. Now you have 2-column cells. Let's go straight into the body. We want to have about 5 to 6 rows in our body. So let's create a new row and a new cell. The body cell is with TD, and in this TD, what's our first fruit? Apple always comes to mind, you know. Apple is the first fruit. How much is apple these days? I would say the apple that I am eating right now is in pounds, and it's just let's not go greedy. It's 1 pound. Shall we look at this on the table? Refresh. Wow. Now you see that we have, and you can see the T head and the T body looks different. You can see that the T head is bolder. It has a bolder information, and the T body has a regular text. So that's what distinguishes T head and T body. So let's go ahead and create more rows. with fruit information. So I will say the next fruit on the list, we should keep it together. The next fruit will be orange. That comes to mind. How much is orange now? I'll just say it's £1.50. My orange is more expensive than apple. Okay, so that's fresh, sweet. It's coming together. Let's go more. Another row. Don't forget TR for row, table row, TD for body cell, and we want banana. And the price for banana is £1. And one more fruit, TR again. And that will be pineapple. No, it's a single hair. Pineapple. Yes. And how much is a pineapple? I'll just say it's £2. Here we look at what we've just created. Refresh. Sweet. What's the aggregate price for our fruit? That's what we want to do now. So we're going to say in the T footer, mind you, this T footer can be anywhere, but it can be in any order. It could be, okay, let's just create the T footer first, and then I can show you what we're talking about. So T footer needs a TH, so we could distinctly display the information for you. So we have total TH, and if we sum all of this together, 1 plus 150, 250, plus 1, 350, plus 2, 550. So we have 550. And refresh. Voila. Now we've been able to create a table with fruit information. To go further, we can add caption. Let me introduce you to a caption element. A caption element, the text in these elements is typically rendered above the table. So we are just going to say, within this table, we have caption. And in this caption, I have strong. Strong to bold whatever text I put here. And now I'm going to say table of fruits first colon and their prices second colon. So let's see. Refresh. Beautiful. Let's see. Beautiful. As you can see, you have the information in your caption is typically displayed on the table, immediately on the top of the table. So that's how you give your table a caption, and you can see it's wrapped based on the size of the information within your table. This is how to create a basic table in HTML. So I was saying the other time that this section can be in any order. So if I move T foot above key edge, the T foot knows where it should be. If I refresh, you can see it remains in the same place. So if we change the value here to make sure, you can see it remains in the same spot. That's because table header, key edge knows where it belongs. Key foot knows exactly where it belongs, and key body knows where it belongs. So it doesn't matter in what order you place them, as long as you have the open tag and the close tag and the right rows and cells in the right place, you have a table. We are going to dive more deeper into table in a more advanced section, but until then, we're going to head this section on how to create table in HTML.